I fired my $8,000 a month assistant last Tuesday, not because she was bad, but because this AI tool did her entire week's work in 4 minutes flat. And before you call me heartless, stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact 10 AI tools that helped me cut my business costs by 73% this year. And tool number 7 is so absurdly powerful that even Fortune 500 CEOs are quietly paying $20,000 a year to use it. But first, let me prove I'm not making this up. 3 months ago, my productivity was at an all-time low. I had 47 unread emails, 3 Zoom meetings stacked back-to-back, and a content calendar I hadn't touched in 2 weeks. Sound familiar? If you're running a business or even just trying to climb the corporate ladder in 2024, you're competing against people who have AI in their corner. And if you don't, you're already losing. Here's what changed everything for me. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT, but not the way you're using it. Everyone treats ChatGPT like a Google replacement. Wrong. The real power is in custom GPTs. I built a custom GPT trained on my company's tone of voice, brand guidelines, and past customer emails. Now it writes replies that sound exactly like me in seconds. I saved 14 hours last week alone. The trick? Upload your last 50 emails as training data, then write a system prompt that says, respond exactly like the writer of these emails. Number 2 is Notion AI. And this one changed how my entire team operates. Notion AI lives inside your existing workspace and turns scattered notes into structured action items. I dump raw meeting transcripts into a Notion page, hit the AI button, and 10 seconds later I have a clean summary, action items assigned to team members, and follow-up dates. My project manager said it does the job of 2 full-time coordinators. At $10 a month, that's the deal of the century. Tool number 3 is Fathom, and this is the one that killed my assistant role. Fathom records, transcribes, and summarizes every single Zoom and Google Meet call I have. It identifies action items, who said what, and emails me a clean summary before I even close my laptop. I used to spend 2 hours after every meeting writing notes. Now, 0. The free version is genuinely the best free productivity tool on the internet right now, and I'll link it below. Number 4 is Zapier with their new AI agents. Zapier has always been the glue that connects your apps, but now it has autonomous agents that make decisions for you. For example, when a new lead fills out my contact form, an AI agent reads their message, decides if they're a qualified lead, scores them, adds them to my CRM, and writes a personalized welcome email, all without me touching anything. This single workflow has generated over $40,000 in extra revenue in 60 days. Number 5 is Claude by Anthropic. If ChatGPT is a generalist, Claude is a specialist. Claude handles long documents better than any AI on the market. I uploaded a 200-page legal contract last week and asked Claude to find risky clauses. It found 7. My lawyer confirmed all 7. That's $400 in legal fees saved on a single document. For anyone dealing with contracts, research papers, or long reports, Claude is non-negotiable. Pro tip, use Claude for analysis and ChatGPT for creative writing. They have different strengths. Tool number 6 is Descript, and this one is for anyone creating content. Descript edits video and audio by editing text. You read a transcript, delete words, and it deletes those words from the video. Misspoke? Type the correct word, and Descript uses AI to make it sound like you said it. I edit my entire podcast in 20 minutes now, down from 4 hours. My editor used to charge me $600 per episode. Descript is $24 a month. You do the math. Quick pause. If you're getting value from this, hit that subscribe button right now, because I'm putting out 2 more videos this month showing the exact AI workflows I use to make 6 figures from a laptop. Also, every single tool I'm mentioning is in the description below with my affiliate links. Using those links costs you nothing extra, but helps me keep making these videos. Now back to the list, because tool number 7 is the one I promised you. Get ready. Tool number 7 is Gamma. Gamma generates presentations, websites, and documents in under 60 seconds. I type a one-sentence description of what I need, and Gamma builds a beautiful, fully designed pitch deck. I closed a $180,000 client last month with a Gamma deck I made in literally 90 seconds. The client thought I hired a design agency. This is the tool Fortune 500 executives are quietly using to make themselves look 10x more competent than they actually are. It's $20 a month. Number 8 is Perplexity, and this is the death of Google for research. Perplexity gives you direct answers with cited sources, no SEO spam, no ads, no garbage. I use it for competitor research, market analysis, and fact-checking. What used to take me 45 minutes of opening 20 browser tabs now takes 90 seconds. The Pro version even uses GPT-4 and Claude under the hood, so you're getting the best of every AI in one search bar. It's the only Google replacement that actually works. Tool number 9 is Otter, and yes, I know what you're thinking. Isn't this just another transcription tool? No. Otter has a feature called Autopilot that joins meetings for you when you can't attend. It takes notes, identifies action items, and even answers questions from attendees using your past meeting data. I sent Autopilot to a meeting last week that I physically could not attend. It contributed 3 insights from my previous notes. My partner had no idea I wasn't there. Number 10 is Make, formerly Integromat, and this is the most powerful automation tool you've never heard of. While Zapier is great for simple workflows, Make handles complex, multi-step automations with conditional logic. I built a Make scenario that monitors my brand mentions across social media, scores sentiment, alerts me about negative ones, and auto-responds to positive ones with a thank you. This runs 24/7. While I sleep, my business handles itself. That's the dream, right? Now, here's the secret nobody tells you. These tools individually are powerful, but stacked together, they're nuclear. My personal stack is ChatGPT for creative work, Claude for analysis, Perplexity for research, Notion for organization, Fathom for meetings, Zapier and Make for automation, Gamma for presentations, and Descript for content. Total monthly cost? Around $200. Total time saved? Roughly 35 hours per week. That's like hiring a full-time employee for the price of a dinner. But here's the catch most people miss. Tools are useless without systems. I see entrepreneurs sign up for 15 AI tools, never use them, and complain that AI is overhyped. Wrong. AI is leverage, but only if you build the workflow first. Start by writing down the 3 tasks that eat your week. Mine were emails, meeting notes, and content creation. Then pick one AI tool for each task. Use it daily for 2 weeks. Once it's a habit, add the next tool. That's how you actually win with AI. Let me tell you what happened after I implemented all this. My personal income went up 40% in 6 months. Not because I worked harder, I actually worked less. I went from 60-hour weeks to 35-hour weeks. I took my first real vacation in 3 years. And here's the wild part. My business kept running while I was gone, because the AI agents I set up handled customer inquiries, follow-ups, and even closed 2 deals while I was on a beach in Mexico. Now, I want to be real with you. AI is not magic. It won't fix a broken business model. It won't make a bad product good. But if you have something that works, AI will let you scale it without burning out. The entrepreneurs who win the next decade are the ones who learn to delegate to AI instead of trying to do everything themselves. The skill of the future isn't coding. It's knowing how to direct AI to do what you want, fast. Before I wrap this up, here's a bonus tool I almost forgot. ElevenLabs, the AI voice generator. I clone my voice and use it for video voiceovers when I'm too tired to record. Yes, parts of some of my videos use my AI voice clone. You probably can't tell which ones. That's how good it is. For coaches, course creators, and content people, ElevenLabs is a cheat code. $6 a month and you'll never have a sore throat affect your content schedule again. So here's your homework. Pick one tool from this video. Just one. Go sign up today, free trial is fine, and use it for one specific task this week. Don't try to learn all 10. That's how people get overwhelmed and give up. Master one, then add another. In 90 days, you'll have a complete AI stack and you'll wonder how you ever ran a business without it. The hardest part is starting. The second hardest part is sticking with it past day 3. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more entrepreneurs who need it. Subscribe for more AI deep dives and check the description for my free PDF, the 2024 AI Stack for Solopreneurs, which has every tool, my workflow templates, and discount codes. Drop a comment telling me which tool you're trying first, and I'll personally reply to the first 50 comments with custom advice. Now go build something incredible. I'll see you in the next one.